Depolarized is the great SA node, sinoatrial node. Sinoatrial node is the pioneer pacemaker in the heart, which is located in the superior posterolateral part of the right atrium, behind crista terminus. We have already discussed. There is internodal pathways, 3 internodal pathways, anterior, middle, and posterior, from which impulses can pass from SA node to AV node. AV node has 3 parts. Atrial node, nodal is 3 parts. Then we have this bundle and bundle branches. In the left we have at least 2 bundle branches, anterior and posterior. There is quite a few various anatomical differences in anterior and posterior branches. This is actually mentioned in Goitom, very simple. This is not as simple as Dr. Goitom has brought in this book. There is quite a few variations in this anterior and posterior left bundle branch. So, for the simplicity, we described it as anterior and posterior branch in the left side. In the right side, we have just 1 branch. It is not mentioned in Goitom book, but there is an anatomical pathway from which the right bundle branch passes to reach the anterior leaflet of tricuspid valve. This branch of, this passage is called there is a special name for that. I will remember. So there is a anatomical passage for the right bundle branch. There is a muscle bridge. I will remember. So, this bundle branches. To the left, we have 2 branches, anterior and posterior. To the right bundle. Then these bundles are branched off and make the Purkinje fibers. The fastest conducting fibers, 1.5 up to 4 meters per second. So, due to the presence of Purkinje fibers, both ventricles can be depolarized at the same time. That is why the lateral wall of the both ventricles will neutralize each other, and the ventricle is depolarized from the base to the apex. See, the ventricles is just like a triangle. The base is here. See, base. In Arabic. The base is here and the apex is here. And this is the apex. And this is the base of the heart. Wasn't it? Bachman standard, the one that you put Bachman. Where? The one that you told me. See, this is SA. This is 3 internodal pathways. This is AV. This anterior pathway is called Bachman. Lenkerback and Farrell. It is not mentioned in Goitom. These are the discoverer of these internodal pathways. Anterior, middle, and posterior. This is the AV node, which has 3 parts. This is his bundle, right bundle branch, left bundle. Left bundle is divided into left anterior and left posterior. And then we have fibers. Even in the atrium, we have some Purkinje fibers in his bundle. See? This is the conduction system. Here's a node, synoatrial node, which has been discovered by two American physiologists, Black and Kate. Internodal pathways. AV node, which has been discovered by a Japanese medical student like Hawara, and another American physiologist, his teacher, Ashuf and Hawara. He's the junior, the discoverer of this bundle. This bundle, right and left bundle branches, and Purkinje fibers. Purkinje is also an angelical from Hungary physician. That is why they call them Purkinje fibers. This is the conduction system. The fastest part of the conduction system is the Purkinje fibers. 1.5 up to 4 meters per second. The slowest AV node. AV node has two types of cells, P cells and T cells. P stands for pacemaker. T cells are transitional cells, elongated, that just pass the impulses.